folks, check this out. The rain has come. Oh, it is coming down. Last night it rained and it filled that up. I wish I had put that in something else because I could really use all this beautiful rain for my flowers when it's not raining. But check this out. There is new little baby, right there, mangoes on this side of the tree. I'm so excited. And still, more blooms to come. So, we're finally getting a little bit of rain out here. A nice good rain. You can see down there. Anyways, this is out my front door. I'll go and show you what it is out my back door. Okay, this is out the back door. Look at that crazy water coming down. It is crazy raining. I love it. And I'm catching water back here too. I don't know if you can see that. That's one of the big bowls I put out there to catch water in. Anyways, it's a beautiful day for rain. I got everything I needed to do today done. That was away from the house. And now when I can come back and work on some of the stuff around here, it goes and rains on me. But I knew it was going to rain anyways. That's okay. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get that that banana right there. Let me pull it in so you can see it. See that banana right there? Where is my finger? It's trying to focus on there. The big banana right there. Hopefully we'll be able to get that bloom off tomorrow and harvest those bananas in the next week or two. But I'm looking forward to that. Well, folks, it has stopped raining. Everything's still pretty wet. And I want to go out here and check on a few things. Oh, it's so overgrown. This is what happens when you leave angel trumpets that you cut off the trees down here laying on the ground. They just start growing. Yeah, I guess I've got a green thumb. Anyways, this one, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. See? So, checking to see if I got any figs. I don't see any figs. But this tree sure is growing nicely. This is the first one that I've had any luck with growing good. The one over there, which you think would be really good, it's not growing worth a hoot. Tomatoes are all sprawled out here, growing wild. I love it. Okay, so I've been so stinking busy with all that I've been doing that I haven't even gotten my job that I wanted to do with these up and done. I've got to get on that. Today I ate me another asparagus. They're coming up in here pretty good. So, pretty excited about that. You know, I took and cut these back the other day, and looky here, I've got a sprout there. Let's see if I can pull this in. Got a sprout back there, and I've got a sprout over there, a sprout here, and a sprout here, and a sprout there. Well, folks, I headed out. I was gonna make my video on how many trees I got. Yeah, it ain't gonna happen. It's raining again. I guess this day is only gonna be a video about rain. Yep, rain. It's a good thing though, because everything was dry. It's a real good thing. Now I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna go right up underneath here, and I'm gonna show you. Down underneath here, that is barely even damp. So it's a good thing that it's raining. Just saying. Now I got dirty fingernails. Look at that beautiful plant Miss Lily gave me. It is looking nice and healthy right now. It likes this shade. It really does. Looky there. My dahlias are blooming. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous flower. And it feels like velvet. I love it. Even this little bromeliad is blooming. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, everything's blooming around here. Of course, if my cactus that Linda gave me is not blooming, but that's okay. It's a Christmas cactus anyways. And some of my other stuff is looking good in here. That's some of the cantaloupes that Wilma gave me. And I put my, I planted my daisies, Gerber daisies in here. And I've got some other lilies coming up here. So they'll be blooming soon. Yeah, I'm underneath here and I'm getting a few drops here and there, but it's really not coming up in here. It's good, and it's a really nice climate underneath here. I mean, things do get wet, but yeah, it's good stuff. I do still need to get this asparagus fern out of here. I mean asparagus fern. Oh my goodness, I'm thinking of ferns. Asparagus plant out of here and take it back there with the other ones. I love these plants. And this one. They're in the clover family, I think, but they're beautiful. They come back every year really nicely. An orchid is laying over. That's that new one I got for next to nothing at the produce stand. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye now.